Morning guys, it is May 5th, 2025, Cinco de Mayo, Mexican holiday today. Anyway, this one I got a call from a lady, she wants me to go check our AC system out. She did pick up some air filters, so I'm going to go over there and, run it, check the charge.
The traffic light.
Check the charge for her. Hopefully it doesn't start raining on me. If it does, I'm going to bail on her. Anyway, we're going to go over there and see if we can make sure everything's working properly, check the condenser, make sure it's okay, not all full of muck, and make sure it's clean, and the superheat subcooling's fine. Try to get you some shots over there if I can. Smalley stayed home again today. Little shit wants me to go catch her every morning. She wants to play. So, unless she goes to tell her, so let's go. If she goes to the door, I'll take her. If she wants to just have me chase her all morning around the house, I'm not gonna do it. I can stay home. Never a dull moment.
1 mile, turn right on Main Avenue.
Never a dull moment. I changed the filters inside. Gonna be a little more gas. 78 inside. Probably like 65, 70 degrees outside here. This should be another 22 unit, I'm thinking. R22. Low on gas. I could tell she was low just by how it's running, the air coming out the top. Look at the superheat at 43, the suction pressure's low there, see it? At 53, it's going to be above, it should be above 60, 64, 65 on R22. We're going to add some gas to it. See that 43? That's too high. I'm going to put some in it. Little leaker. Alright, coil's kind of oxidized from being outside here, but what can I tell you? It's a whirlpool. I'm gonna put some gas in it. It's a leaker, what can you say? It's a leaker. Give it some gas. I'm gonna give it a little douche. See that superheat? Want to bring that down. I'm gonna give it some gas. Give it a little. How you doing? Giving it some gas. Putting it in as a liquid, so I gotta go easy with it. Subcooling's gonna come up some. This coil is kind of really oxidized. It's not far off the charge, but it needs some. We want to bring that superheat down. Suction about 63. That's good. When I clean the coil, this is going to come down. Right now, it's not really getting rid of the heat on the condenser. We're going to leave it right there. Like I said, I mean, I don't want to get this place all soaked with water. I got to work in here, so we'll check the other one. That's better there. Superheat and our suction is better there. I don't know how oxidized it is. It definitely looks oxidized to me, but white crusties in there. This is the first flow, and we're going to do this one next. I don't know if it's going to make a difference. Don't hurt to give it a clean job. Don't hurt to clean it. Give it a good douche. Before you start it. Just trying not to get soaked here. Gonna matter. We'll find out. This one's the first floor. This one ain't looking too bad. First floor, the second floor was a lot hotter. Then this is the first floor one I'm doing. Might want to give it a little bit and bring the soup heat down. Give it a little how you doing. Brought that superheat down. Alright, that's looking better there. Superheat around 15. Suction at 70. Don't forget this is R22, so anything below 64 is going to be getting close to freezing. So subcooling's a little high. I did clean the coil. We're going to leave it there. I did clean the coil, but it's still pretty. I don't want to blow it apart either. It's pretty gnarly. Hit it with clean, that thing will fall apart. And pretty flippin' crusty there, mama. I did hit it with water, but just the old aluminum is taking a shit. Taking a giant dump. That's better. I can tell how they're running just by the feel of the air coming out the top.